Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to update extensions in Google Chrome. Extensions are a great way to enhance your browsing experience, and it's important to keep them up to date for the best performance. So, let's get started. Step 1. Click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the browser. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. Step 3. Now, you'll see a list of all the extensions installed in your Chrome browser. Find the extension you want to update and toggle the switch to enable Developer Mode. Step 4. Once you've enabled Developer Mode, you'll notice a new Update button next to the extension. Simply click on it to update the extension. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the extension in Google Chrome. It's as easy as that. Remember, it's crucial to keep your extensions updated to ensure they're functioning properly and to benefit from any new features or bug fixes that may have been released by the extension developers. If you're experiencing any issues with an extension, updating it can often resolve those problems. However, if the issues persist, you may want to consider reaching out to the extension developer for further assistance. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in updating extensions in Google Chrome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.